Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zinspilot Savings Marketplace. Review my usage experience. Zinspilot Savings Marketplace. Review my usage experience offers a platform to compare and potentially secure higher interest rates on savings accounts from various banks and financial institutions. Its main purpose is to help users maximize their savings returns. The target audience is likely individuals and families looking to improve their savings yields. Key features would likely include account comparison tools, rate alerts, and potentially some level of account management assistance. Their website provides details on the specific banks and institutions they partner with and the range of savings accounts they offer. Zinspilot boasts ease of use and pricing transparency. There are no hidden fees, as far as I can tell from my use. It claims to offer a better overview of savings options than manually checking multiple bank websites. Availability is likely nationwide, but checking their website would confirm this. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zinspilot Savings Marketplace. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply signed up with my email address, verified my account, and was instantly presented with a clean dashboard showing various savings accounts organized by interest rate. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I easily filtered options based on minimum balance requirements, account type, and even the bank's location. I was particularly impressed by how quickly I could see the potential difference in returns between different options. Their account comparison tool made it crystal clear which account offered the best rate for my needs. The information presented was comprehensive and easy to understand. I had a quick question about the security protocols, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was great. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself mostly using it on my desktop. The standout feature for me was definitely the interactive comparison charts. They made comparing rates so much easier. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zinspilot. It streamlined the process of finding a high-yield savings account significantly. That's my overview of Zinspilot Savings Marketplace. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.